Make your outdoor adventures unforgettable with the UNP 6-person family camping tent. With a spacious 10 feet by 9 feet by 78 inches design, this tent comfortably accommodates up to 6 people, providing plenty of space for air mattresses or sleeping bags. The 78-inch center height gives you the freedom to stand and change without any hassle. Setting up camp is a breeze with this tent. In just 5 to 10 minutes, 1 or 2 people can have the tent ready for use, making it perfect for family car camping or campsite trips. The breathable mesh windows and mesh tent top offer excellent ventilation, ensuring a cool and comfortable interior while allowing you to enjoy the surrounding views. Crafted from high-tech materials with a 1000 mm polyurethane hydrostatic coating, this tent is designed to withstand wind and rain, keeping you dry and secure no matter the weather. Prepare for your next adventure with the UNP 6-person tent, your ultimate family camping companion. The VSS L Camp Supplies Kit is the ultimate multi-purpose survival tool designed for campers, hikers, and outdoor adventurers. This military-grade aluminum tube packs over 70 essential survival items into a compact, lightweight design that's easy to carry in your backpack. Inside, you'll find a high-powered LED flashlight, a 4-mode compass, and stackable supply tins filled with first aid essentials, fire-starting materials, fishing gear, a wire saw, and more. Everything is expertly organized to ensure you have quick access to the tools you need in an emergency. Built for durability and convenience, the VSS L Camp Supplies Kit is weather-resistant and compact enough to fit in tight spaces, making it perfect for survival situations or everyday camping needs. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or preparing for unexpected challenges, this all-in-one survival kit ensures you're ready for anything the outdoors throws at you. The ED Mag is the ultimate all-in-one titanium utensil for adventurers who value simplicity, durability, and sustainability. Whether you're conquering rugged trails, enjoying a campfire meal, or picnicking under the stars, ED Mag has you covered. Say goodbye to bulky, clunky gear, and hello to compact convenience. This innovative utensil set features a sleek magnetic design that locks the pieces together seamlessly. No more lost forks or noisy clanging. ED Mag keeps your gear organized, quiet, and space efficient. It's perfect for minimizing clutter and maximizing functionality, even halfway up a mountain. Crafted from premium titanium, ED Mag delivers exceptional durability, lightweight portability, and rust-proof, bacteria-resistant performance. Its eco-friendly design helps reduce single-use plastic waste, offering a long-lasting, sustainable solution for outdoor dining. Created by adventurers for adventurers, ED Mag combines practicality with a sleek aesthetic, ensuring you're always ready to savor good food and great company in the heart of nature. Harness the sun's power with the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel, your go-to solution for on-the-go energy. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it delivers high-efficiency solar charging in a rugged, compact package. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring, this panel ensures your devices stay powered up. The built-in kickstand lets you position the panel at the perfect angle for optimal sun exposure, ensuring maximum energy collection. Its lightweight design allows you to easily strap it to your pack or tent, while its durability guarantees it'll keep up with all your outdoor adventures. Plus, it folds down neatly for easy storage, making it an essential companion for any trip. Stay connected and charged, no matter where you roam, with the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel. A good night's sleep is essential when camping, and the Climate Static V sleeping pad ensures just that. Designed for ultimate comfort and portability, this lightweight sleeping pad features body-mapped V-chamber technology, which minimizes air movement and heat loss while providing excellent support for your back. Weighing only 18.7 ounces, the Static V inflates quickly with just 10 to 15 breaths thanks to its push valve design. Its rugged 7.5 polyester material makes it durable and resistant to punctures, ensuring longevity even on rough terrain. The wide design provides ample sleeping space, allowing for natural movement without discomfort. Perfect for backpackers, campers, and outdoor adventurers, the Climate Static V is compact when packed, making it easy to carry without adding bulk to your gear. If you want comfort, durability, and efficiency in one package, this sleeping pad is a must-have for your camping trips.